viewers. For today's podcast, I want to talk about how Tesla's data-driven strategies are revolutionizing the EV industry. Let's go. This all started when Elon Musk introduced Tesla to the real world. So, in this podcast, I will try to reveal how Tesla's business solutions are not only transforming the EV market, but also contributing to building a new generation of high-tech startup and setting a new standard for agility and innovation in technology-based business ventures.
So, what makes Tesla data-driven? The definition of a data-driven business are a data-driven company use data in the decision-making process for changes and improvements in their operation and their customers' experience. Tesla operates more like a tech company than a traditional automaker. Every car it produces doubles as a data collection tool with information relayed back to Tesla servers for constant real analysis. They have 5 key areas of data usage in Tesla. The first one is autonomous driving, predictive maintenance, production and inventory management, supercharger network optimization, and the last one, pricing and marketing strategies. Alright, now let's take a deep dive into Tesla's data-driven strategies. For the first one, we have autonomous driving. Tesla cars have a suite of sensors and cameras which collect as many as millions of driving data points each day. Most of this information helps to train Tesla's AI models to enhance the full self-driving program. Tesla's AI adapts to global traffic patterns and some challenging scenarios owing to the data received from Tesla's fleet. For the example, if one car came across an unusual object on the road, the system registers that new information and passes it to all other Tesla cars. This approach ensures Tesla continuously improves its software without waiting for traditional R&D cycles. For the second strategies, we have predictive maintenance. Tesla vehicles are constantly checking the car's internal systems, including battery's condition, motor condition, and tire pressure, among others. Real-time analysis is used on the collected data to identify potential problems that are likely to lead to the serious strains. This minimizes unexpected breakdowns and keep customers satisfied. For the example, performance metrics that show that a battery is degrading, Tesla informed the owner in advance with a recommendation for service, and so there is no surprise. This reduces downtime for customers, enhance reliability, optimize Tesla service operation, and build trust with customers as Tesla anticipates problems before they arise. For the third strategies, they have production and inventory management. To obtain the level of flexibility, Tesla applies live sales data, reservation statistics, and market conditions for adapting its production and inventory management. This eliminates development of a large inventory of resource since the resources have to be used within the adopted time frame. For the example, for the Model 3 launch, Tesla used reservation data to prioritize production of the most popular configurations. This dynamic approach reduces waste and ensure the company meets demand efficiently, increase speed of production, more affordable rates, and compliance with market variation ensure Tesla has one of the most flexible processes in automotive manufacturing. The next strategy is supercharger network optimization. Tesla examines driving behaviors, charging behaviors, and trip data of its vehicles to understand where new stations are necessary. This seems that drivers are well positioned to charging facilities, hence reduce the issue of range anxiety, which is a major problem among EV owners. For the example, in 2020, Tesla added superchargers in rural areas after noticing increased road trips during the pandemic. Ensures customer convenience when charging their cars, hence fulfilling the company's mission to make electric vehicles more acceptable for long-distance traveling. This customer-centric approach minimizes range anxiety and ensures charging infrastructure supports evolving usage patterns. For the last strategies, dynamic pricing and marketing. Market data are employed to provide real-time data on customers' willingness to pay, competitors' prices, and operational costs to give real-time prices for Tesla cars. Customer behavior and choice is also examined to enhance the marketing strategies as well as the positions of the products. For the example, Tesla recently lowered the Model Y's price to make it more affordable as a mid-size SUV entering the highly competitive market and to increase sales. Pricing it dynamically guarantees Tesla's competitiveness, customers' interest, and its profitability. Also permits the firm to change its prices when specific conditions prevail in the market. Now, we move to why Tesla's agility matters. We can look from the industry impact, broader lessons, and vision for the future. For the industry impact, Tesla has done more than just alter the automobile market's competitive landscape by focusing on data and flexibility. Conventional car manufacturers have typically displayed structural and strategic frames that are characterized by slow production cycles and practices from the past decades. But Tesla has shown them that they cannot do that anymore. Ford and General Motors are among the latest automobile manufacturers to rush into developing their EVs and autonomous vehicles and emulating Tesla in the process. This change has led to revolution not only in the production of EV cars but also in the general structure of the transport market and has made flexibility one of the main indicators of success for industry participants. Next, for broader lessons. Tesla is the perfect example that being agile is not a cliche, particularly for startups companies. It is crucial, mandatory for sustainable development as well as for young startups or international giants. There are now day-to-day changes attributable to advanced technology and changes in global unpredictable events such as shortage in supply or sudden changes in the customer's taste and preference. Where others see a problem, Tesla proved how data can turn a weakness into strength, whether it is rewiring code to avoid a chip deficit or analyzing the driving data to consistently enhance the level of self-driving abilities. It demonstrates that if data is collected and analyzed, what might be considered disadvantage can be strengths. Next, we have vision for the future. Although Tesla is looking into the future, technologies that are based on big data will continue to dominate and shape industries, not only in the automotive industry. Energy storage and solar, both of which are part of Tesla's business today, should be able to gain from similar agility. Consider more intelligent grids that use artificial intelligence to manage energy consumption in groups of structures such as residential areas or very efficient delivery lines based on the data from the Tesla car makers. The opportunity are endless, and depending on the speed and direction the company keeps moving forward with their concepts and inventions, the way of people transportation and the utilization of automobile technology may change the way of their life and interactions. Tesla is not just fast, it is not just swift, it is versatile and capable to walking the industry into the future. Self-driving cars, which Tesla is actively working on, as well as the predictive maintenance of the powertrain in its electric cars, are clear reflections of how the firm is pursuing data-informed decisions. It's not just a car manufacturing company, but conjuring a world where intelligence and flexibility are the essence. The Tesla Corporation applies the big data concept in various aspects of its activity and does not only revolutionize the automotive industry, but also demonstrate to businesses how technology can reshape operations. Use the comment section below to express your opinions and ideas with me. I'd love to hear your perspective and insights of this fascinating topic. And with that, we have reached the end of today's journey into Tesla's data-driven world. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.